In our binary search code, we ran the code while not found and low less than equal to high, which means low could be either equal to high or less than high. The question is, why do we need to do why do we run the code while low is less than equal to high, and why not low less than high? Notice the difference between these two is just inequality, but does it really matter? Well, think about it. When we had while low less than equal to high, the loop would terminate when the pointers inverted, which means low became greater than high. Now, if I were to change this condition here, which means if I were to make it, let's say low less than high, basically, even if the pointers become equal, then the code would terminate. So this is going to be a different behavior. The question is, does it matter? Well, the right way to think about it is that, look, which is the condition where this actually plays out? Now, one such condition is when I'm searching for the last item in the list. For example, in a list from 0 to 99, I'm looking for 99. Let's see how this plays out. Let's see how this evolves. So I start with 0, 99, mid is 49. Notice I'm doing low. Low is mid plus 1, so that's 50. Then I go to 75, I go to 88, I go to 94, I go to 96. Now start from this point onward. It's 97, 99, 98. Remember, I'm looking for 99. So when I search at 98, tells me that, look, I must increase the low pointer. But remember, even before this search can be done, the loop is going to terminate, which means I will not be able to find 99 in my list, even though it is present. Now, to see this clearly, notice in this code, I have made low less than high, and I ran the exact same situation here. Notice it comes to low being 97, high being 99, mid being 98. Now, when I search at 98, basically I need to increase the low, which means that at the end of this iteration, low will become equal to 99 because mid was 98. Low and high would become equal and the loop would terminate. So notice when I try to search for 99, in fact, it returned me a -1. So this is a logic error. Our search has become incorrect. It's unable to find the situation where the two pointers become equal. And that happens to be the point that we want to search. And that happens to be the point in the list. The way to avoid this is go back to the original code, which is basically to say low less than equal to high. This will ensure that the code will find the item, or it will terminate if the pointers are, let's say, inverted. Small changes, but the impact is massive, right? Notice here it finds the item. So think through these carefully. Like I said, binary search looks very simple as a code, but there are subtle points we need to think about in order to make sure it's all correct and our understanding is solid. I hope you found this interesting. Look at our website www.ybyte.in. We have a lot of material through which you can learn programming and algorithms in a fun way. Take care. Thank you so much. Bye bye.